Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In one of my previous videos I had talked about my interest in getting electric bicycle or an electric motorcycle to ride during winters, because I wouldn't be able to ride my Treasure 900 during the winter weathers. I just want to make like a add-on video to that and just explain why I cannot ride this motorcycle during winter and make a clarification. Okay, let's start riding and continue talking. Okay, so during the winters in Nebraska there will be a lot of ice and snow. So what they do to the streets, I mean, this is only informative video to people who do not know how the roads are maintained during the winters or the modifications, not modification, or the changes that the roads undergo during winter. In winters, when there is a lot of snow, the streets will start building ice and you can't really drive or ride on the street. So to make it more usable during winters, they add salt and chemicals on to the roads so that the snow melts away and does not result in building up ice on the streets. This change, which involves adding salt and chemicals to the road, is not good for your vehicle. And in the US, especially in Nebraska, there isn't really a very good place where I can wash my motorcycle which is close to my house. So what happens to your vehicle if you ride when there is chemical and salt on the street is that they are all corrosive chemicals. So your bike will start corroding, and the corrosion is severe during winters than during summers. And due to that cold weather, you wouldn't really even be able to wash your motorcycle with water to take off the corrosive chemicals and salt from your bike. Not to mention the risk you take if you decide to ride your heavy motorcycle in such icy roads or when there is snow. I mean, you might make modifications to your bike, add very good snow tires and all those necessary add-ons, but still it is not really safe to ride. I mean, consider me riding on this highway during winter when there is snow or ice around. If your bike loses traction, you will slide off the road. So the winters are not really motorcycle friendly in Nebraska, which is why I was thinking about getting a cheaper alternative that I can ride during winters and make new videos. That was the thought process behind that, and that an electric bike is more friendly to the environment than getting a smaller bike like a Honda Grom or something. And an added benefit is that it makes no noise and I can ride around in neighborhoods and people wouldn't complain about that. That's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.